Hello everyone. I'm back with another journal share. This one I was just bored one day and I wanted to do a bunch of flip outs and stuff and see what I can create with envelopes and all that kind of thing. So this is what I came up with. Um, it has two signatures inside and a sewn in, they're just sewn in. And this is the back, and I just used some random cardstock and stuff. And the actual main construction of this came from this, I don't know, it's kind of, let me see. It's kind of, it's really long, and it's, I don't know, it's like a chipboard type stuff. My friend got it at a garage sale, and I never did use it, so I'm like, oh, I'm going to figure out what I can do with that. So I came up with this little jewel. And I just used a whole bunch of random stuff that I had on my desk, so I don't really know where everything came from. And I made this probably a month ago, so I'm not even quite sure what I did. But we'll both find out together. But you just unwind this string and flip it over there, and it runs through this little eyelet right here in this envelope, so you could take it all the way off if you wanted to, but that's what I used for closing this journal. And in the front pocket I just did this little corrugated word plate. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And then there's just a little mushroom there. And in the pocket, we have just little pieces of ephemera, little tags. I think this is already made. I'm not quite sure. It's been a minute since I made this, so, and I just, let's see, tucked all of these in there, like so, like that, and then this flips. I might have made this a bit long, but you know, that's okay. This flips over, and there's a pocket here with this very old vintage photo inside there. And in the pocket, the envelope itself right here, I have this little journaling card there. And then over here is another little pocket. I just did a little collaging there. Another vintage photo there. And two little tags. I might be able to put these back here. You just got to put them in right so that everything lays correctly. A little butterfly, and I put metal corners on this one right here, and then on these two. And then you flip this open, and there's another little tuck spot right here. And then you can journal here. And then over here, I only put a metal pocket up, or metal corner up here, because you don't see this one once this is flipped. You really just don't even see that one much. So, and then there is a pocket here, and I just did a little cluster there. And I just have some cute little tags inside here. And I know that's already made for sure. And I just layered them in like that, so you can see them when you flip that open. And then inside here is a journaling card that I made. I just put that there. Now when you flip it over, in the same pocket there are these two pieces of ephemera. And here, I just like those to peek out a little bit right there. And of course I used a wildflower and some Tim Holtz paper on here, and I just put one corner here. And you flip that open, and you have this pocket with this cute little envelope that Trina made. And this is some wallpaper right here on the flap. The flap is so cute. I love the way it looks in this pocket. And then then these are already made for sure. I know that. Let's tuck those in there. And over here, I just poked holes, put this lace in there, and then you got this little pocket on the front. And this is just a couple pieces of fabric right here. So you can use them in the journal. And then there's, I think, 4 pages of coffee dyed paper to write on in here. Yeah, 4. And then this will flip up and you can replace that paper. Then you got another pocket under here with Artie Maze's tag. And another one of Trina's amazing cute little envelopes. And I just put that underneath like that. Then you flip that back down. Flip this. Uh-oh, nope. How'd I do that? This one. You can do it any way you want to. Let's see if I want to do it this way. Nope. I like it like this. There you go. And then you open it up here. And over here is a big, huge pocket with a big journaling card. I can't remember whose that is. It might be Tsunami Rose. I'm not sure. This big journaling tag here. And then these 2 little bee journaling tags. And then we have this pretty kit, which I can't remember whose that is, but if I do remember, I will link it below. This is just a little snippet that I glued on there, cluster. And I just used some random papers that I've had coffee dyed for, I don't know, eons in here. Another little tuck spot there. So just some really neat pages in here. Some old dollhouse paper, which is already colored from being old. And then this is a little envelope here with nothing in it. I'm pretty sure this is Tsunami Rose's ephemera. Did some tabs on here. Another little, that wasn't supposed to be a pocket. It's just a little cluster glued on there on the ledger paper. A little pocket over here. 2 sewn tags on there. I love these though. They're so cool. And there's about 5 of these little, 4 or 5 of these. I think that's Artie Maze as well. Another little flap with a little, that's Evie's, I know that. And then over here you have another little pocket with just a snippet on the front. And this is an old prepare meat for freezer. It's an old piece of ephemera from way back. I don't even know when. But this has 2 pockets. There's one right here. And then this is another authentic piece of ephemera. And I put that in the front pocket with this little mushroom tag. Then you open that. You can journal there. Here's another little pocket. I think that's Tsunami Rose's ephemera as well. And you put that in there. And then that one right there. And then this flips open. And you have another pocket. Artie Maze tags sewn on coffee dyed paper. So is this one, and Trina made me this one. And I just stuck all those in there. Another little cluster pocket. And then you have the second signature here. And there's not that many pockets in here because I didn't want to fill the book up and then have it not close correctly. So I just made it for mostly writing on the inside. And then you got all your ephemera in the pockets. This is a little paper clip one here. And on this side I have an envelope made out of adult coloring book that my mom colored. She did an amazing job. This was before her hands went bad and she doesn't color anymore. So she gave me all her coloring. And I made envelopes out of them. This is Tsunami Rose, I know that. Here is a pocket. Another big piece of ephemera. And a tag. There's a couple pockets here and there. And my phone is ringing, but I'm going to let it ring. This is an authentic ledger. I love that so much. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Anywho, some vintage music paper. This is like some really eggshell paper, really soft stuff. Little tuck spot there with a vintage postcard. Book page, and back here we have this pocket. A little cluster here, a little tag there. That's Tsunami Rose and Artie Mays. And back here is a big, large journaling tag, and this is coffee dyed paper. And then this beautiful tag behind here. And this opens up so you can stuff a whole bunch of stuff down there. It's got gussets on it. That does not belong in there. And so yeah. Then you just put the first this signature goes back down here, and then these flip over, and then all of this flips back over to the top of that. And yeah, that is this cute. I just wrap this around and around and around, and yeah, tie it like so, and you have your journal. I loved making this. It was super fun. And this one is available. If you would like, you can reach me on my Facebook, and I will give you all the information on her. I hope you have a wonderful day and hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.